So anyway, yeah, happy that we're finally able to have this all together, and really like the space, you know, considering what we're working with anyway. All right, I'm gonna call it a day. It's Friday evening. Just want to show you what we finished up on. So there are our two openings. I think that opens up this room really nice. This room was just closed in too much. See how it looks like from the living room end. I think when that's trimmed out, you know, with nice trim and transom windows at the top, that'll look really nice. Okay, so next week, I think that's it for framing inside for a bit. I'm going to try to install that window and maybe these windows that go in that as well. And then we can get into siding. So hi. New window. So making progress on all the windows here. I took the replacement windows and made a frame and tried to replicate what we've got. I think that turned out pretty good. Still got to do something with these leftover windows. And then yesterday I've been working on this other window that we've got put in on the outside. Trimmed it out, and just got to finish with the shingles. I'll do that now. But I think it'll get by on matching the other windows. Good enough anyway. Okay, Rinconians, I'm just finishing up the outside shingles and trim here. Can't get over how much time this takes. So as I was saying, I got the shingles done, trims in place. Only thing on this end I still got to do, you know, I replaced this beam because it comes out here, but I got to replace this rafter, which I've just bought, 2x8 that I'm gonna rip down, get it to look like that. And anyway, happy with the way that all looks. This corner, that weave corner, turned out nice. I just got to nail each one. I got to get some siding nails. All right. Okay, last of the framing is this room, aka living room, but we're calling it the office. We're gonna make it into a bedroom. So that means we're gonna put a closet across here. So you can see there's a few issues. One is this honking big piano, that door, and that door. So getting rid of this door, getting rid of this door, that goes outside. We're going to move the outside door, not this one, we get a new one going into that sunroom on the other side. As far as the piano, we were interested in keeping it initially, but I think it's just a big, heavy, useless piece of furniture. Especially as I wheel it around, I'm not sure what it's doing to the floor under this. I'm hoping this this X board helps, but we decided to get rid of it. You know, old, you know, you can't give these things away. You can see this finish is really bad. It's too bad because you can see how nice the, well, even that's all the old varnish just given out. Anyway, so instead of trying to lift it and move it, a lot of things I got to do myself, I'm going to take it apart. Maybe even keep some of this, recycle some of this brass, the cast iron underneath. But I think if I take all the wood part, that might help with the weight and be able to get it out of here. All right, let's see how it goes. Why is it still attached? I don't know. Still got the bottom to cut out too. Okay, so there the piano lays. I had enough of it for the day, about around 1, 2 o'clock. In order to get that cast iron piece off, I have to take all the strings off. So I did about a third of them. Because we got all these screws that need to come off. And then this cast iron, or whatever, this cast steel slides out over those pins, thus needing to take the strings off. So I spent the rest of the day demoing the wall here. That's where the closet door is going to be. From the other side, this will be inside the closet. So I've got that cut out to where it needs to be. I just got to add my header pieces and jacks and trim studs, and that's ready to go. I've just run out of time today, so we'll do that tomorrow. Alrighty. All right, so we got that all framed up. We'll leave it like that for now. We'll cut the drywall out on the back side once we're ready to install the door. Now let's get to demoing. You can't see this other door and the front door, so we can start building this wall. I think we've conquered this thing. Get all the screws out, undid all the wires, and now this thing slides right up and off. Now let's see how much this actually weighs. Let me set it down, see if I can pick it up by hand. Just kind of hoping that it is heavy, but not as heavy as now that should help with the weight. Let's see what this weighs now. Oh, it's still substantial. There's a lot of hardwood in that. Nothing like it was. Wow. Oh, like it. Okay. A naked piano. It's that hard wood. All right, Probably get a friend to help me take that outside. That's the way to deal with it. Sorry, Rinconians, I'm getting ahead of myself. I just got the door out here. The door we ordered for over there has come in. So just trying to get this out and get it covered up, boarded up before it's late afternoon now. I think I can get this together and yeah. Okay, just finishing up with our closet. Got our chase together. And on this closet, I've put a little ceiling here so that it acts as a storage area as well above. So just finishing up, I'll get the doorway framed out, and we'll move on to installing the front door. I keep forgetting to show you the front door. Oh, this is where the window was. I'm now cutting out for the door, which is here. I just took all the shingles off and getting that framed in. What a difference, huh? I'll check back with you as we get that framed in. Okay, Rinconians, calling it a day, calling it the end of my framing. Finally got the front of this door done, got the door installed. That's the end of the so-called framing, which includes making anything you did watertight. So we had removed all the shingles and moved the door, retrimmed it. What do you think of the style I chose? It's a little diversion from what it was originally. Anyway, I'm happy with it. It's a little noisy out here. Let's go inside. And where it's dark. So hopefully that's the end of buying any 2x4s for this job and all that. We'll get on to working on our utilities and electrical, HVAC, rough, and what else I go? Dryer vent and water lines. Hopefully that goes quicker than I thought. The shingles took a lot longer than I thought, the exterior shingles. Anyway, happy about getting that done. So anyway, thank you for watching. I always appreciate any comments, and just remember, if you don't subscribe, you're not a Rinconian. All right, everyone, take care.